Hello, everybody. It's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. What'd you think of yesterday's? I thought yesterday's was kind of cool. My brain kind of thinking. I thought it was funny. So, I'm talking the story. So, today is day 18, favorite characters. And that can leave a whole world open. So, I picked 3 of my favorite characters in movies. Here we go. Of course, the Duke, John Wayne, any character, hands down. And then, of course, Johnny Depp as Jack Sparrow. I just love him in those movies. And Orlando Bloom as Legolas and Lord of the Rings are my favorite characters in movies. Yep, that's my characters. Right there, says it all. So, I want to thank you guys for watching. Again, I'm enjoying doing these each and every day. Some come out of the top of my head. Some like this one is easy. The story one, I was like stories. And it was just a funny thing to do. So, I hope you guys are enjoying these. I hope you're checking out Tammy from My Crafty Styles as well as Sandy and see what they're coming up with. As always, guys, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.